I'm back at it again working on a Navien 240A2. This time I got an Arrow 003, which is ignition failure. Let's see what's going on. I checked this error code out in my water heater manual book and did some troubleshooting to see what we could find. Found the main gas is on, that's good. I checked my incoming gas pressure and that's within tolerance. I ran a dual venturi check and we are working just fine here. Then I checked the ignition transformer and the Navien customer support told me that I was getting some weird numbers here. Next I checked for power at my gas valve. After running these tests and talking to Navien, they went ahead and warranty replaced the motherboard, the flame rod assembly, and the ignition transformer. I got those three components replaced and everything's working like normal.